Big up Crosses TV. Crosses TV about.
You know, I talk to you, Queen at all. You miss out on that. Mash, them say good morning. Them say good morning, Mash.
Good morning.
Are you enjoying the mother nature? The nice fresh air, the breeze. Oh, beautiful.
Whereabouts in Jamaica are you? Where?
Right now I'm in Elsa.
Nice,
Elsa Heights.
nice. Well, I'm still sitting in Britain. They're getting up all that sun.
May I get sun for me, darling? And just like may I show them a view, I share the lovely view with you all.
Yes, send some sun for me. Have a little bit.
Yeah.
It's warm. So you can see I've got no shirt on. But nice speaking with you. And keep all lady them strong, right?
Thank you. Girl power, lady power.
Girl power. Enough power.
Yeah. What's your name, my dear?
Well, I go by my name's Dorothy, but I go by the
Dorothy,
name of
where you calling from?
UK.
Yeah, we're in the UK.
Oh, Luton.
Oh, Luton.
Yeah.
I thought you have a Nottingham accent.
No. This Jamaican English sort of something mix up. But
A bit
Jamaican,
of every little thing.
every little
Yeah.
thing.
Pick up yourself,
but,
darling.
but
That's
keep
it now.
strong. Yes, keep strong. You're doing well.
Thank you.
We're proud of you.
Thank
We're
you.
age group, so we understand the cougar thing.
Positive vibes. Positive
Yeah,
vibes.
understand the cougar thing. So hold up your head.
Always up like heaven.
Amen.
Yeah, man.
Blessed
Have
love.
a great Sunday, okay?
You too. You too.
It's sometimes I don't see them power. I can't hold out my mouth.
No.
I have to hold my mouth to an extent. You understand me?
And you have a lot of business people who sit down and I watch you too, you know. Honestly speaking, like literally I watch you. So you have to just hold your composure.
That up, cause I can't. You know what? Though, London Vice. It's a big white world, you know.
Thank you.
No matter how I love Jamaica, and when them fuck with me, I pick up them dirty blood clot.
Naturally.
You know, so I got to deal with them nasty blood
Oh, you
clot.
mean? And I am my prime minister.
Yeah, you know, so I got.
And I am my prime minister for Jamaica. And look how
Jamaica is not a real blood clot place. And my place, I love them dearly. And some dirty blood clot, dog, bumper clot, vomit them. You know, so the prime minister deal with it. Because we're awful and disgusting and awful. I used to them that were in the authority. They are the white colored criminal. Yeah.
One fucking queen.
Me not read too much in a comment section, but some people, everybody have bad ways and dirty ways. Yeah.
Them ways the worst. Remember I tell you, they have, hey,
London Vice. London Vice, let me tell you something about me. He's a self-praising person.
Me too.
He's a self-power person. He's a self-love person. He's a self-motivation person. I used to meet Johnny Sinister Execute Scarlett. You know, this business and this industry gets a lot of undermining, which everybody gets undermining, you know. But me, I speak on behalf of myself. Because everybody will reach something in their life of a story behind. It's because I'm a realness. I'm a strength behind my realness.
Somebody
because of your realness, you gravitate to everybody naturally. Look at my mother. She love you, she love you, she love you, she love you. So tell.
All young and feeling skill from the baby have sense. I mean and them.
Yep.
All of them are telling them, don't watch Queenie, don't keep.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
So, me now I'm a bit old. Let's see the way the love that excited over myself. I'm do me a thing at Jamaica now. I represent for Jamaica now. Look how them do me now. Me left Jamaica and go to France, go live, but I still represent for here, yeah. I'm a guy UA, go do a hat. Just a genuine hat, never on the charge.
Yo, yo, what do you make you tell us? Anywhere cartel there, in and sell, anywhere lie down, in respect you just we go to Calabar, right eye front there, so. I'm big up in school. I can tell you that right now on this live, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to do the ads and I'm say, my brethren said for going to the U. I'm say, I don't want to go to you. And I said, no, this sign that you will love it. I'm saying, all right, go. This is my first instinct, never want to go to my dance. All me, I run on the little sign and I'm not do nothing, you know. And then if I took my partner on and pussy, I said, I'm going to prove you with pussy. And them sit down, and them have mean. I said, them pussy, that barrel and pack the pussy up. Give me a minute, please. All right, 3 minutes.
Yeah, Queenie, we can't do it, you know.
Yeah, that barrel. So me just assure you.
What's
He
it?
will
Come on, come see
represent
the pussy,
so
we
much
should have
things and that
taken.
stuff. Big up my cousin. Big up my cousin. Big up.
Yeah,
Big
Lion
up my one.
Melter, Lion Melter.
Yeah. Here's the reason now, no fam. Me now, as a strong warrior, with all purpose. Them and none of them not sponsor me, you know.
Are you
None of them
alone?
bum hole and not sponsor me. I not buy blood clot bread, you know. I'm natural, I'm a pure energy people addicted, you know. So me I just artist, you know. Me the all-purpose, self-purpose woman.
Yep.
If you think me I get out of hand and I'm fascinated by Queenie, you can call Queenie phone and I talk to the thing and she have a one blood clot difference. I used to them dirty blood clot, white color job, Jamaica. If I run up and down like a chick man, blood clot, you can't see them, can't hold me school. You can't hold me school if I was living here. I don't fucking live here. I was born here. It's where I reside. It's where I reside. But where my band, where my blood clot, man, and then I can't do nothing.
None.
Nasty. Miss underscore Marsha underscore 2. Go and go wash your saw too early for the on Instagram, yeah.
I mean, that trouble.
No, I mean, she try to talk to, but I don't really see them enough of time. Are you really come to represent Fan Chiffy?
Hey, comments are comments, you know, when I see nothing.
You're mad, Chiffy,
Any
just
bad
come on.
comments that suck your sour mama straight.
Salute that.
The fuck it is.
Me salute that.
The fuck? Comments can't
Yeah,
touch
but come on,
people.
my mother front, my mother shame.
Naturally.
Me I first pitney, I should open up and the whole of the nurse them fear. So from the day my mother have no shame. Shame is a part of life, darling. That's why I name shame.
Thank you.
Everybody have to shame
Shame bring blessings, you hear that?
Last night, may I say same thing to a person, you know, say if you have good, you have to have bad. So
Facts.
if you don't do bad,
You have to have the bad.
just cool or Chiffy, man.
You have to.
Pastor blessings come, you know. You need the bad energy, you need the bad comments, and you need the bad influencers. Because I them uplift you at the end of the day, you feel me? And I them same one I got still watching you anyways, whether them like you or not.
You can't say it
Them
again.
ways them liquor and them a type because we still good naturally.
When they come to Mexico with you remember none of them?
No, sir. Hey, when we reach Mexico, it's like all my bills, them not even worried about everything just free. You know what I mean? New life.
What's new about us what I wait for? Hey, London advice. London advice. After the white girl yesterday said do it so called pussy I may interview her.
Yeah.
I missed that.
My husband suck your pussy. Why you come on live come down? And she said because that nasty. So I said then if your pussy clean and you have your pussy, why would you discriminate your own pussy?
That means that must be nasty. All right, she said that's nasty
and dirty because you scan your own blood clot self. So work out the reason, girl. So
some girl food cool.
Me must make my husband cuss the girl. All the blood clot before the husband, my husband cuss the girl. My husband don't know if I cuss her because she come fuck you. Come fuck you. So the fuck when come fuck you. Him have to hold him blood clot can and then the wife step in the big bad blood clot British wife step in. Because you know I'm a husband, girl. I expect do it tell us I'm take my little teeny tiny suitcase and run away. Expect some to disappear and vanish. Well girl my show some of blood clot vanish. And him come cool on him blood clot cocky and he might not write to me, but me couldn't take out the cocky out of the pussy. So I see since I couldn't take out the blood clot cocky, my class the dirty blood clot.
Naturally.
Move the blood clot. My body I'm bold and beautiful.
And that
I don't
no
do it
fear
no one with
squeeze.
the blood
Hey,
clot, don't mind me.
that no fear Queenie none at all. So I
Yo,
don't know what to
Listen,
wait for you to come up
all
on this
I'm
blood.
doing now want me to blood clot do it my to me. I defend my blood clot. I
Naturally.
do it so that I do it so that 10 blood clot time.
yo,
You should have video it. See,
I got my
all
respect
you
about you.
video man come out of the house and you anything never tell us. Say, I have to catch me so this is sucking say no. Me have to find something and say no, me need to move your dirty blood clot. Come
Hidden
with real,
camera.
She come
Hidden
from
yeah.
the media
camera. What that for
for
there?
clout. She come from the media for clout and one boss,
Me
my girl. Them
say,
think they're all news. Run up.
listen, my uncle can't pray for my husband because I love my husband and he married to me. But
Love you
when
for
a
that.
blood clot and I come over here, come embarrass me and make me shame. I can't
No
defend my
Eh,
day,
blood clot.
no
Can't
time.
defend my blood clot. Baga, booger, yaga, skuggle, yaga, blood clot marriage. Because my
Right
marriage is
through.
wet. Or you
that,
think you're going to get my husband to live with you with 3 days and in 2 weeks you're pregnant? Girl, I hope you have triplets of blood clots.
yo,
Meaning
me
me,
tell you,
meaning
man.
man, and meaning more. 3 blood
Oh,
clot, there,
hold on,
meaning
so she
me,
said
meaning
she
man, and
agreed.
meaning blood
Time
clot
will
more.
tell.
A
Time will
3
tell.
blood clot time do it breathing at 3 there. And in 2 weeks, you do pregnancy test. Move your dirty fuck out
I
blood
must have
clot.
choke back she
London
breathing at the
boys.
blood
London
clot.
boys. The girl call your blood clot name to you now. Hold it and mix up in a brother.
Mm-hmm.
Aye, brother.
Yeah,
But all is not.
no bother with me now, no, man. Me
Yeah,
can't.
where you talk? The girl say all is
Double.
Yo, yo, well, no, man. You see them now, me can't manage too much of them one time. Like, too much of them. Them are run out for all different angles.
London boys. You said me gonna my dear, I see what you kill them. Where am I the only
And then
come just run?
You run.
Sir. Like a magnet, them addicted to me. Because I tell them, I say, do it, you the girl I'm wanting on me. But it's clear, you
Facts.
them
Are you that
you
one?
want to do it. Regardless, me not have cocky and me, but me not eat the blood clot target, so them can't get to me. Say, so, me look on the logical when me I saw it. Look what me said to my husband. I said, do me your reason. Why you do one thing for me? It's every time a girl going on your DM or you going to fear for them DM. Remember the after effects, when you're not going to live with them and help, cause listen, if me and you come at your yard, me have a conversation with you about my husband somewhere. Somehow. So when you come tell me say my husband chat me, obviously I got blood clot chat me because me and him live and me gone and him a come to you.
Good and the
The
bad.
conversation is gonna occur. If me run up from my husband to a man, me go talk some blood clotting about it. Wrong or right? You're
You're
my
right.
Right.
partner. You're
You're
my
right about
You're
partner.
that.
right.
So you want to come tear me down as a wife to say my husband try to call my husband say I go to Canada and all the way do where you discuss. But the point is, you still know the man wife. And 3 days after time done fuck you out and realize that me really gone. And call me now. And that's happening. When do we call me the night, you know? I said to Yvette, sir. Because when me I go up on the train the day, you know, and him call me, I say, me no answer do, you know. Because me no want to do it, divert me from my thinking, you know, I go hold my peace, you know. But for 3 days, me no answer him, you know, I'm in the bed, lad, and Yvette, you know, I'm sleep, but you know, 3 I'm a lucky number.
Always.
I want me to the third time, I answer him. You know what do he say to me when him come on the phone, London Vice himself? Crazy, me just say, fuck it, come ring you, how much in time for you left, for you not answer me. I'm going to say, I'm going to ring you 3 times. If you not answer, remember me to the first call and say, me I take the third call. And him I think said the third call, so he said that connection, me listen to him. It's crazy, but I always I flip on myself in a butt. It hurt me say you're gone in a but it make me look into myself. Remember,
In,
I got tell me say I'm gonna fuck cray cray with teeth my name because she
I,
wants the crazy. So she said
I,
cray cray. Because she obsessed with me, so she want to lick my pussy from behind. So she got target easy blood clot, grass clot target husband. We're frightened over pussy and girl. Me not frightened for pussy girl, man, or blood clot child. Me frightened for me. I mean, I mingle with no blood clot body for them grass clot take my energy. You
no
hear me?
time, no time.
London guys, let me tell you something, Ramadan. I will defend my husband to an extent.
And that is when me
Lie.
love about you.
Listen, he's lie. But regardless of what for my husband.
Okay.
It's when all internet lock off and me and him sit down, me know what to find out from what to know from when nothing know.
That's why
And
when me
that's
talk
my
to
strength
him,
and power.
that's why when me talk to him, me tell him only the right thing and tell him say you have one wife, brother. Just make sure so you know so you protect the one where you have.
Do we
That's
have
all.
the slightest thing about it? And me, you, no matter how much somebody talk to do it. Any girl can go and do it them now and tell do it that, oh, I'm in love with you. I'm horny. And right there then into that so them a keep store for you. And November I know that girl there, you know. And November I know she, you know. When a
Oh,
man tell you November come fuck your ass clot in a June and come fuck your pussy come a year you have to fight. I want go wrong so quick now. In the space of 3 fucking days for you to come on the internet. You want the man. You say the man the blood clot want to the man just come cool him cocky.
hold on there.
Exactly.
Hold on there. Me I get a call. Hold on there.
Answer your call.
Hello? Hello? Yes, morning. I'm talking to Queenie on the Instagram. I have to call you back. Just give me a minute, okay? Yes, thank you.
So now, me now embarrassing myself now, Shifi. As
Mm.
a wife. I feel sometimes for we as a wife, I tell my husband, after me think cocky that day when the run with the blood clot. And when I walk over the water come for me. I mean,
Somebody has said, at least him never bring a guy a yard in your
listen,
house. Real comment.
listen, man fuck all different way than. Listen to me. A pussy power. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
you reach the internet for the live with puss, my friend. You must listen to what we say, my dad. All of the
Overs.
love what you love do and do help you chat me. What all of them times, what piece of respect you give do it? Or reach to that. So me say, but do it. None of them girls don't rate you, I love you. Can none of them not keep
Yeah,
it.
and it's on.
Me and your wife, my entitled to come out of the name and shame your dirty blood clot when you deceive me.
True.
Facts.
Time bit and mate for all them blood clot corner. Them
Facts.
to put them blood clot out. You know how much man a fuck. Them wife them hospital have blood clot, baby hospital and still a blood clot fuck. And girl have to hold them mouth. Land advice.
A real
Why,
Mm-hmm.
talk, yeah, mate.
why every girl will do it fuck? Have to come on the internet and it have to be heard and known. Why them can't cover my husband? You know me? Them want
You're
get
you're the
covered.
fucking
Why
queen.
Are
you think
you
So
where the
them
London
want
man?
your
Why you think
shine.
I where the
Them want
you think I'm studying at this? Where do you think I believe to do it that way? No, me ask you something.
me know that. Me know you're a believer.
Me
Come
know
on.
the piece of bumper blood clot, pussy ass clot husband when I have baby girl. Me tell him everything before him is. But my own. I can't disown him and walk away and make people trample over him. Over and over again, I'm still I say, oh God, do it embarrass me again. Shut up, Gini. I like no blood clot. Tell me a class out to no dirty blood clot.
naturally.
Jay, me no
Oh, you
cut
know
you.
it's weird. Oh, you know, say my husband, I invite my husband at your yard, and my husband tell us I'm a guy with a little suitcase. You never say me dead like Michelle. You never dead like Michelle, you know. Yeah, my husband and a baby. It go for better or for worse, you know, my
Better
dad.
for worse.
My dad,
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See my come
you
back
ready?
I do it now. Ready, you know. Yeah man, me know in that. See him there watch him in a green shirt. Watch him. Him there I got turn out to do it for too long. You mad. Him ready. Him ready. Fucking maga pussy
I
wall.
mean, life is life, right? And I guarantee you, Queenie, as much as your lifestyle and you know your business is out there.
Yeah.
People are going to
Listen,
do
no
worse.
blood clot body can't take my husband.
Worse.
You name for better for blood clot worse.
Worse.
So when worse come, I defend the dirty
Worse.
blood clot life and the dirty marriage and the dirty rap clot disrespect. I'm gonna put my signature to it. But then I put my signature say do it this me and do it go fuck for me did for run from do it. It mean for stand up and try make me amend my blood clot marriage. I mean do it and amend by the mighty name of Jesus. Me not afraid to blood clot man.
Naturally.
Yes.
Enough people that
So back to the reason
yes.
now.
Yeah.
So my husband a man and him deceiving. And him know why me and him are running from me. But you as a woman now, you know the score. And you sat there with open right and by this man in your yard. Then when him come in your yard, because him left and come back now and reach out Jamaica, and you see me and him on the live. All of a sudden now you start type. Pussy suck, 69 go on, all of that. So before me, Queenie 2 weeks to the runway. I you not tell do it say you want blowing balls and do it I tell you say you want suck your pussy. All of what do it I tell you. Well all of a sudden that jump off that the world know. Make sense? I mean you know want. I
No
mean you
Exactly.
want
sense.
I mean you
No
want
sense.
drop down that time of class them dirty blood clot.
Exactly.
So
For the
it ain't
people
no matter how do it innocent.
the people will ask why I'm the Queenie shoulder. When you do a tattoo, it a go strip after. Yes, a strip or a tattoo a strip, yeah? I go up here because I love people business anyway. You don't go and fuck off and
Carla.
fuck you, bro. Fuck you, bro.
What
Fuck
connect?
you. You can't tell me which part of the part. When me dey for year, when me dey for year life, when me dey for year life. Boy, go out where you go and vibe me, man, bro. Give it a break. You see me a vibe, yo. Brother, go. Oh, me and I, yo.
Yeah, just come off our live and make the lady, make the two woman them on the live, dog.
You can't tell me enough way for gun either. Fuck off. Fuck you. When me dey on your life, I dey on your life with you a reason, with you and a
You
motivate
know,
you.
it's a public thing.
You say some of the time in the light that you tell no man. Who in the man?
Why you like me and then, boy?
Brother, put on your mask, bro. Put on your mask,
You
fam.
know, really matter, you know? I see it, because I have
Yo.
and it at the end of it.
So long as you're blessed, yes, so long as you bless you, I'm not response nothing what you want to say.
You're blind?
Yeah, man, your trim have a buzz, man. It have a buzz.
So how about that gray hair?
That thing
That
say,
just over there.
you have
I'm
some
supposed to make blood clot excuse to my husband. What do you make blood clot? If I come over here, come cuss him and disgrace him and talk and complain. If I be in denial and I complain, if I make love me, I'm a blumber, pussy blood, ras, clot, husband and go.
Naturally.
Leave me and my husband alone. Make me ball and complain over my blood clot life. No, tell me about my life.
But I
But
that they want to see. They want to see that shit.
me
They
never see
love
this
that.
yet. Me never see this yet.
All right, that's how we're married.
Yeah.
Right, that's how, right, that's
Elsa. On the beach, me know that beach there, me ground that. Hey boy, master, I gotta make shot near me at Jamaica, yeah. Yeah, you me
Who
attack.
is
I gotta
that?
make shot near me a
Mash?
blood clot, boy. You're doing mash.
Big up yourself, Mash.
Yeah.
You're loving Jamaica?
I gotta make Queenie left you out and
That's
see
good.
make shot near me a pussy one.
I never seen Mash in a while.
Me love her. Queenie can't on the
What
vacation
you
though, cause
mean?
if it
Hey,
a stress out.
I'm the queen. I don't pay tax. Okay? Leave me